Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add custom thumbnails to your videos. Also I will show you how to verify your new YouTube account. Also at the end of the video I will show you how to solve the problem with the verified account when you cannot add your custom thumbnail. So let's start with the verifying your account, then we will add a thumbnail, and after I will show you how to solve your problem with the thumbnails when you verified your account. So basically to verify your account you need to do it in your YouTube Studio, or when you're uploading your video you can do it in Studio as well. Just press that question mark on your custom thumbnails screen and you will be redirected to another page. It's a YouTube/verify. You need to choose your country and how you want to be verified, by text or call. Here you enter your mobile number and press the submit button. Now you need to enter your 6-digit verification code. You will get a call or a text, it depends what you have chosen. Now you need to enter that code and press submit. And now your account was verified. Congratulations. And now when your YouTube account is verified, you can add your custom thumbnails to your videos, and I will show you how. Basically, to add custom thumbnail to your videos, you need to go to your YouTube Studio, go to your videos, and then go to the video you want to add a custom thumbnail. Just click on the picture of that video, and here is the screen upload thumbnail. You can add any of the 3 thumbnails already made by YouTube for you, or you can upload your own. Just click on that screen and you need to give your thumbnails. Here's your new thumbnail and click save. Now your change is saved and you can go and check it in your YouTube Studio. Yeah, now it's saved. I hope that you already added your custom thumbnail to your YouTube video, but if not, if you have verified your account but still cannot add a custom thumbnail, I will tell you what I am doing, because I had the same problem at my channel and I didn't know how to solve that problem. But now when I have looked for some information in the internet, I know how to solve this problem. Basically all you need to do, just download YouTube Studio app to your phone from App Store, and in your YouTube Studio app you can add custom thumbnail to your videos, and later you can write to the YouTube support and probably they will solve your issue. But at the moment you can use this tip. I hope it was useful for you and it helped you to add your custom thumbnails to your videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to get more useful tips and useful content. And bye for now, see you in next videos.